What's up guys, and Samsung just made the Galaxy A60 official. So yeah, the launch event was in China and Samsung first started talking about the Galaxy A70 and Galaxy A80. So the A70 comes with Infinity U display, while on the other hand the A80 has sliding plus rotating mechanism. Now these phones are already official for the global markets, so you can check our previous videos for the same. And at last Samsung finally started talking about the Galaxy A60. Okay, so the A60 comes with Infinity O display just like the S10. However, the hole is on the left hand side, so this thing you should note. Also, this camera hole is as small as the one in the S10e, so that's impressive. You're getting a 6.3 inches of Full HD Plus LCD panel with over 91.8% screen to body ratio. Now the interesting part is A60 uses glass-stick panel which is plastic but looks like glass. We have the same shimmer and same design language as the S10, and this is another area of cost cutting, I guess. Now it has 3 cameras on the back, one of them is of 32 megapixel, same as the selfie shooter. There's 8 megapixel wide angle lens and at last 5 megapixel depth sensor. So I think a nice combination of display as well as the cameras. You can also see Samsung using rear facing fingerprint sensor in the A60. So that's likely a downgrade over the A50 in terms of the fingerprint use. The A50 has in-display fingerprint sensor and I think that's fine. So now comes the interesting part. Samsung is using the Snapdragon 675 in the A60. That's based on 11nm process and it's slightly better than the Exynos 9610. So great job Samsung. There's 6 gigs of RAM along with 64/128 gigs of internal storage, and there is no information if Samsung is gonna bring a 4 gigs model in future. Would be great if they do. You're getting Samsung's latest One UI along with Android 9.0 Pie, and there's 3500 mAh of battery with fast charging. I know that's not a huge number, like 4000 mAh would have been, but the pricing is impressive. So the A60 with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage is priced at 1999 yuan, which makes it $298 US and 20,000 Indian rupees. They haven't announced the pricing of the 64 gigs model, but it's gonna be almost 1799 yuan, which makes it 18,000 Indian rupees or almost $270 US. And the best part is A60 is coming to the global markets really soon with exciting gradient color options. So really waiting for this one. If you want to see the unboxing video on our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below what you like in the A60. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.